Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze weekly gold analysis for gold trading for your next week. So last week video I have already mentioned this price reached 1980 level and it has reached 1980 level, and this point GDP number positive for US dollar and price dropped to the below side. So that is the accurate gold trading analysis. You can join with my Telegram, link is below. So next, move the next week analysis for your next week gold trading. So I am in 4-hour chart. This is the technically two levels I am seeing. You can see the white color two lines. So this is the first line is 1966 level. This level, as these two levels has a strong resistance level with the technically analysis, and the above line is 1982 level. So you can see the 1982 level, there are several strong resistance. This is the first one, and then second one, then this is the third one, and last one is the last week. So this is the strong resistance level with the technically analysis. Price has retested several times, and then you can see the below line 1966 level, 65 level. This is also strong resistance. This is first one and second one and the third one, and also the price is reached for the last one. So this is the technically two levels I am seeing strong resistance level. First one is 1966 level and then 1982 level. So that is the two strong resistance level. You should start with these price levels with your gold trading. So that's the technical picture so I am seeing. So let's move the next week economic data. What is the important, what is you should touch with the gold trading regarding US dollar. So next week Friday August 4th there's a huge volatile economic event, that is the non-farm employment change regarding US dollar, and also it has unemployment rate. So non-farm employment change 209 is the previous figure, and Fed, American Central Bank, is forecast 200k to drop to 200k. That's the forecast. So this economic events more important for your next week gold trading. You should touch with this economic data if you are trading gold regarding US dollar. So my forecast is the non-farm employment change drop to the below 200k. That is the very big negative effect for US dollar. That will affect to gold demand to the upside. So you can understand what I am saying. So non-farm employment change drop to 200k below. The actual figure will be dropped to 200k. That is effect to US dollar demand and dollar weakness next weeks. And then other side is the non-farm employment change about 209, like a 250k, 300k. That's the positive figure for US dollar. That will affect to drop to the gold like this, drop to gold 1930, 1920 levels. Also forecast, that's the non-farm employment change positive. So you should touch this. Last week GDP number also positive for US dollar. So next week you should forecast touch with this non-farm employment change figure, and also unemployment rate 5.4 is the previous. Fed expect to 5.5. Sorry, unemployment rate 3.6 is the previous figure. Fed is also expected 3.6 unemployment rate. So unemployment rates you should touch. So this is the volatile economic event next week regarding US dollar. Touch with this economic news, economic events if you are trading US dollar pairs like gold. So that's the economic clip next week, and then let's know the technical analysis. What is the your next week gold trading? This is a movement forward chart. You can see this trend line break to the last week. So this is the trend line I am seeing. So it has break to the downside. That is the this level is I am already mentioned. This is the point GDP positive for US dollar and drop to the below side last week in 1982 level. So I am seeing this is the level. Next week you can see the famous pattern. This is the Kosimoto pattern in this point, and this is the famous reversal pattern. QM sell level is in 1966 level. So that you have a sell opportunity in this level. So I am seeing next week price reached 1966 level and drop to the below. That's my first opinion forecasting next week. So non-farm employment change will negative. That is the price is sell this level and going to the upside again, and this is the strong resistance level 1982 and going to upside. So that is the reason is non-farm employment change next week negative for US dollar. That will affect to the gold are going to the upside, and again 1982 is the strong resistance level. It will break to the next week to upside. So I am hoping price will break to 1982 level and going to the upside next week. That you should touch with NFP data. It has also effect to this movement. So that's the I am hoping. So sell opportunity in this level. This is QM Kosimoto sell levels, the famous technical pattern. So this 1966 level it has sell opportunity and price going to the below side like this and going to the upside like this. So that is the next week I am forecasting. So I am hoping price will moving like this in next week. Touch with economic data, accurate gold signals in Telegram, link in below. You can join with and get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmation and money management will. Thank you very much.